boys, it's my turn. It's been a good 5-year run of the car, and guess what? Yep, your boy is being defected right now. Good afternoon guys, welcome to the first vlog of the year. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, it was a long break needed for obvious reasons. Before we get into today's video, I feel like I need to give you guys an update. Honestly, there hasn't been much going on over the January. By the time I upload this video, it will be Feb. The short clip that I just showed you guys, yeah, I got defected at my birthday. It was honestly just going back from work, and that's the sole reason why you guys saw the T37s and my NKs on display. I need to change the rear wheels to the T37s, and I decided to put the NKs on the front. Now let me explain about the defect. So about 2 weeks ago I got defected, the chaser's cleared, and the only reason why I'm putting these wheels on is so I can drive to Street Element to get the airbags done. Now to make the car more low-key, the cops have pulled me over because of my rear wheels. Honestly, not too much stretch on it, but they, you know, cops, they just like to defect, and I don't know, I don't find it dangerous with the stretch tires at the rear. It's not even that bad. Second thing is the pod filter. They stated that it needed to be covered. That's a standard rule here. It needs to have a cover. The pod filter cannot be exposed. And thirdly, the one that shook us all was the gear knob. They defected me because the H pattern is not on top of the gear knob, but it's on my plastic trim. But that's not even good enough. If it's OEM and the gear knob had a H pattern, if you do an aftermarket gear knob like myself with the Grady, it didn't have the H pattern on top, that's considered illegal in Australia, so it is what it is. Okay, now we can start the video. On today's agenda, as the title states, and I cannot believe I'm saying this to you guys right now, but I have been waiting forever, man, forever. I bought this back in August last year, maybe March I bought it. Anyway, I've been waiting for a long time, and it finally arrived. And yeah, the Chaser's getting bagged. The reason for this is I've always wanted to bag a car, and I guess the Chaser was the right car to bag. Okay, so today all we gotta do, get the T's on the rear and put the NKs on the front. Okay, got it done. What do you guys think? T37s look so much more subtle. I managed to get the NKs on without taking the spacers off. It fits. I'm sure when we air down, it should go in. Yeah, this will do. Alright guys, we're here. Street Element. It's where the car's getting worked on. It is currently 11:41 p.m. Mike's at it. What's up, Mike? This is Mike guys from House of Stance. He does this daily. I let Mike do this because this is bread and butter. You do this pretty much every week, hey?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, every week. So at the moment we're just trying to get the tank set up. Cut out the window motor, so
yep,
the tank can sit flush up there. Alright.
Yeah, perfect.
Sweet. It's
Right.
neat.
Just gotta make the brackets and we're good to go.
Decided to put the tank up there so we have boot space. Power lines already ran through. Damn. It's about to be official. These are the 485 compressors.
It's all sleeved.
Very nice.
All stickers removed.
Mike had made these boards. Perfectly fits in the Chaser.
Sit like that. And then management sits there.
These cost a fortune, bro. For these little tanks, man, these cost a lot of money.
I'm just gonna take these off. The mounting points. Yep. And then the caps go on like that, so they're black as well.
Neat.
So black carpet, black filter caps.
Yep.
Black sleeving, and manifolds all black. So yeah.
Cool. Here's a little test fit, but it's very hard to get onto the thread because it's right there. You can see it. It's very hard to get my hand in, so. Whew. Looks good though. Hopes and dreams. Alright guys, we are back in the Euro. Ivan is here with me right now. Today is a day of pickup. Mike and Harry has been sending me photos of the Chaser. They've sent photos of the Chaser pretty much stacked on the floor, and man, it looks good, Ivan. I'm excited right now.
Yeah, excited for you.
Ivan's seen the photos, the boys seen the photos, and damn man, I can't believe this is my car right now. And I'm probably as excited as how you were when you were picking up your Evo, man. So,
yeah.
But this time the car's pretty much bagged. It's pretty much stance. There's a few things I need to fix up. I'll show you guys later. I'm going through a phase, stance phase, but man, I love it. You
excited
like?
For you?
Yeah.
The tilty wheel gang.
Oh, Ivan hates it, but we're going now, so I'm keen, bro.
Yeah, keen for you. See how it looks in person, eh?
Alright, let's go. Alright, we arrived to the shop. The Chaser's outside. Oh, it's slammed, everyone. Chaser's right behind me, but first I just want to show you guys Harry's car. God damn. You're looking at one of the first FDs in Sydney, or I should say Australia, that's bagged. Look at it, bro. Shit. So Ivan, the Chaser's pretty much gonna be like that, bro. What do you think?
Low.
Wait, should I just like peek? Here's a peek. There's a peek, guys. Look at it, man. It's like on the floor, bro. Are you ready? Alright, man. Oh my god, it looks so good. Ooh, hoo hoo. Oh my god. Am I dreaming right now? Is this really my car? Bro. Oh bro. It's sacked. What do you think?
It's fucking low.
Oh man.
18-year-old Ivan.
Oh man. It is freaking wow. Bruh. Okay, I'll show you guys now. But damn. Alright. This is the Chaser, guys. It's bagged now. It's official. Look at that fitment. Mike managed to fit the weds on the rear. He made it pretty tucked in, man. Whoa. Bro.
I like the rear fitment.
Bro. Look at that.
Rear fitment's nice. On your phone holder.
Mike did a good job, man.
You just gotta pull off the tape on the tank, bro.
Let's see the boot. Wow, it's neat. Can't even tell.
Except the tank.
The tank just gives it away. Woo! Shit. God damn. Yo, that's crazy. Oh. Looks like a foam roller.
It looks like a foam roller.
Oh no, we haven't taken off the tape yet.
Yeah, it's
Why is it blue?
No, because I taped it up, but he won't mark my hands on it. I probably don't want to look on it.
Yeah, he showed me the photo last week. I'm like, wait,
the hell's this?
What the hell is this? You paid big bucks for this.
Oh.
Wow.
Alright guys, it's the app. It's official, we're back now, boys. All thanks to Mike. Here we go. Woo! Jeez. Fucking insane, bro.
Thanks to the boss man.
Thanks, Mike. All the hard work is you, bro. It's all you. Thanks, bro. Serious. Thanks. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. What a difference, man. Oh man, I can't get over how this is my car right now. I'm at a car park, the famous Fisher Street in Caramata, and damn, man. Whew. She's bagged and looking low. I can't believe this right now. It honestly feels like I'm dreaming because, yeah, let's just do a walk around right now because, damn, look at that. I am kind of in the debate if I should keep the tuck look or should I go for my dream fitment is the lip to guard, where the lip of the wheel is pretty much on par with the guard. I might, but I'm loving the tuck look. Let's look at the boot. This is the setup. We got the tank floating up on the boot, and I still got my boot space, guys. And so under this trim, it's the compressors. Let me show you. Boom, this is the compressors. So the compressor hides in here, and it's very neat setup by Mike. He did a very good job. He had made the board himself, and everything else just followed through. He got the 3/8 lines. I will have the full specs here for you guys to just pause and check it out. That's the specs on the Chaser currently. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't have much time because I'm actually getting kicked out of this car park because they're locking up and they're closing. I came a bit later than I thought, but there you have it. The Chaser's bagged. The Chaser has come a long way, but very slowly. She's back, boys. I'll see you guys in the next episode.